Hey kiddos, it's Kenny again. I'm here to review a knife from Civivi. This is their Conspirator. It has Ultem handle scales and a Nitro V blade. Never had a Civivi knife before. I've reviewed several other ones, but this is my first Civivi. So let's take a look, see what it looks like. Oh, got a nice zippered pouch. Don't see anything else in the box. And let's check out all the goodies. I'm not sure if that's a sticker or not, but this is a sticker. It looks like they're Elementum, I think. We have their warranty information, a nice cleaning cloth, microfiber. Looks like some other information about some of their different knives. And then we have the knife itself. Again, this is the Conspirator. And it has the Ultem handles. Now, Ultem is I guess a relatively new plastics that they're using in knife scales now. Most that I've seen have more of a honey color. This has got a little more yellow to it. It is a flipper tab, so if I flip that, the blade opens up, and that is a beefy blade. That nail nick is nice too. Fuller, whatever you want to call it. It's nice and deep. It's a button lock, I like that. I think it runs on ceramic bearings, so it's pretty smooth. Comes out pretty good. You can reverse flick it. I do like the clear Ultem that you can see the skeletonized inside there. Nice pocket clip. It's not quite flush with the material. It sits on top there, but it does appear to be reversible. Pretty stiff, so I think it'll be a good clip. Now it says it's Nitro V, but I'm not seeing anything on the blade itself that says that, so I guess we have to take their word for it. It is very sharp out of the box. Currently what I'm carrying is the Vosteed Thunderbird, and you can see how it compares in size. It is a bigger blade for sure. It's a handful. It's definitely a full 4-finger grip for me. And I don't know if you can see that, but there is some texture there to those scales, which is nice. We got a nice bit of jimping here on the top of the spine. I do like that nice flat grind they've got going there with a little bit of a swedge going on the top of the blade. And it is a drop point, which is one of my favorites. It looks pretty dead center to me right out of the box. So yeah, I think Civivi's got a winner on their hands with this one. Hey guys, I'm back. Just wanted to say a few more things about the knife here, the Conspirator. I've had it now for a few weeks. I've been carrying it around every day. Used it, you know, for the typical stuff, opening boxes, cutting down cardboard, that sort of thing. Still fairly sharp, just like it was straight out of the box. I have hit it on my fine stone, just a few licks to retain the edge. One thing I did want to talk about a little bit more is the Ultem. I said earlier that this one seems to be a lighter yellow, and here's an example of a piece that I have. Yes, it is a fidget toy. Don't judge. You can see that this is a little more honey colored. And what I've seen online is that apparently Ultem can come in several different shades. So don't let the color throw you for any reason. Last thing I want to do is show you a little bit of the sharpness. Again, I've had it for a couple of weeks. I've used it. I've thrown it against a steel and my fine stone. And you can see it's still pretty sharp. So there might be a couple of little nicks in there, but again, you hit it with a steel, you hit it with a stone, it's going to come right back. The only other thing that I can show you is if this will zoom in here, you can see that it actually is marked, and it does say Nitro V right there. Civivi Conspirator, and now I can compete with Julie and her Elementum, and I think this is a great knife. Thanks.